This is going to be CARGUMENTS number 8, Rainy Day Special.
Rain!
We are literally dripping wet. We were trying to make a video earlier and say like, oh, it's not that rainy at all. It's just misty and drizzly. We don't need an umbrella. We don't need an umbrella today. Yeah, we do.
Because I talked to Graham today. She sent rain through the phone.
Graham is Mother Nature. She can bring the storm, bring the rain.
She probably wishes she could, so she didn't have to deal with snow.
She can bring the power.
Bring the power. Grady got an iPhone today.
I did. Yeah, this is my iPhone
Black?
that we're filming it.
Yeah, it's
yeah.
black.
You want to see it? Here, hold on. Well,
bend it so they can see it.
I'll turn it down. No, doesn't work. Sorry, guys. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. You like how I did it? Like, sorry, guys. You just have to take my word for it.
Sorry, guys.
We don't want you guys to think of the way that we do.
Mind control. Do something interesting. Do
Oh yeah, go in slow mo. Spinning car. Bruins 2011, yeah.
I keep woohooing.
Woo!
Stop.
Woo!
I'm really pumped about nothing. Do Goofy.
Of course, there, Mickey. What are we doing today?
Do Pluto.
Rough.
Rough.
My buddy Frankie had his dad hook him up good.
It's so far out there. Goodbye, guys. Hope you're enjoying tonight. Hope you've had a real good time.